What is up, guys? Today we are looking at the 1/18 scale Black Ghost from Enoze. So this little 1/18 scale buggy comes in at about $80, and I'm going to go over what I like and dislike about it. In the box you get your USB charger, a screwdriver, and the hex tool for the wheels. You also get some stickers, which I find kind of odd because this thing is fully decaled out already. This buggy comes equipped with friction shocks. As you can see, these are not oil filled, and the chassis and front and rear arms are all plastic. Unfortunately, this thing comes with a 5-wire servo instead of the standard 3-wire in most hobby grade trucks. You do get a nice little 25 amp ESC. It also comes with a 380 size brushed motor, and I went ahead and changed the battery plugs to XT30 so that we could try some different batteries on it. Comes with two 7.4 volt 850 milliamp hour batteries, and we are going to be trying it with a couple of these 3S batteries as well at the end of the video. A big concern I had with this car is that the front and rear tires are different diameters. The front come in at about 60 millimeters while the rear come in at 64 millimeters. This is an issue for a 4-wheel drive car and will cause some strain on the drivetrain. The remote is pretty standard with steering trim and throttle and steering dual rates. You can also reverse both the steering and the throttle to your liking, and it has a basic pistol style grip. So we are out here on location. We have the stock battery in there with the XT30 connector on it. We're going to give it a speed run and then we'll change it over to 3S. Alright, so this is the stock 7.4 volt battery. Seem to have lost the footage of actually speed running it, but I did speed run it with this battery in it, and as you can see, it's not moving very fast. The top speed was about 11 miles an hour, which was pretty underwhelming, and you'll see the difference when I put in the 3S battery in just a second. So we have our Milan M3 GPS on top, and I will link down below where you can get one of these. They are about 30 bucks. So this is the 3S battery, the tattoo battery. I'll link those down below as well. And it definitely livened this thing up a bit. As you can see, it's kind of hard to put it in a straight line. I'm not sure if that's because of the different sized wheels or if it was just the servo was not strong enough to recenter itself. But I had to keep correcting it back and forth to keep it in somewhat of a straight line. And then the top speed on 3S was about 19 miles an hour, which isn't bad. Alright, so let's see what this thing can do on some loose dirt here. As you can see, it's pretty soft. These tires should work out good, and we have the Insta360 Go on there, so let's give it a bash. Alright guys, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and let me know what you think down below about this car. For 80 bucks, a couple mods with the 3S battery, I think this thing is actually pretty fun. So until the next one, we'll see you. Thanks.